we are going to see for Sofitel. What is a Sofitel? Where it is? Just you can come from Musharraf, it's nearby building. It's a Sofitel. Why I am informative video? This is for Sofitel. It's like a computer repairing shop and laptop sale. It's like a wholesale market for computers. The people more struggle with the data recoveries, and suddenly some laptops are MacBook is OS corrupted and Windows is up. You need to upgrade. It's many things they are doing here. Some of shops are very good. Knowledge peoples are there. Even your motherboard any chip level problems they can do that. I have show for one shop. You can anything if you want it you can make comments in my video description also. I can give this shop name also. We'll see shop what they have for repairing. Actually, this is a Rapid Computer Trading and Service. This is a shop only. I'm many computers I giving for repairings, and laptops also they are doing, and the user laptop also they are selling, I think so. This is of headset and the mini speaker USB. You know that HDMI ports, cables for extension for VGA converter, and hard disk external case. If you like you want to upgrade normal HDD to SSD, and that time some people they want to convert it to HDD, that people they need to buy external case is required. This is mouse, and smart Wi-Fi cameras also is available here. Lot of the new items also they are selling headset, and many of wireless keyboard and webcam. This is all useful items, and you see the most of people here, lot of expatriates home they required for the wireless modem. Without Wi-Fi we cannot live in our life. That much required for Wi-Fi routers and modem. Here also lot of advanced technology they have. Wi-Fi routers, D-Link, TP-Link, different bands also is available. Wi-Fi routers and range extender also is available here, and mouses. You know that wireless mouse and wire mouse, everything here is available. And SMBS switch mode power supply for SMBS who are using the gaming CPU, they are required to buy for SMBS. Going to see for chip level service how they are doing, which kind of technology they are using to resolve the motherboards. Normally laptop what are they getting the problems, you know that graphics IC issues are will started now. Now is recent lot of price are it's going high also, because after COVID situation the prices is laptop prices are going high prices. And moreover you have 2 years back lot of laptops are 4 GB graphics and 6 GB graphics laptops. After 5 years you are getting problem from for the graphics IC issues and battery issues, and motherboard display also sometimes getting problem. This kind of things they can resolve from Sofitel only. They are using high-tech technology to resolve the chip level service. I trust this shop. They are doing very well. Lot of laptop they are resolved. Okay, we will go and see what are the technology, how they are resolving. See, the look at very nice for they are using the chip level. Normally the chip level how they are doing hot blower, hot for temperature is highly hot temperature. They give that, then only they remove the chip and they can put a new chip also. That much high tech technology they are using, because some of huge of people only they know understand the motherboard knowledge people they can they will 100% they are guaranteed to repair that motherboard. This is a lot of conditions also depend, because some motherboards are is a dead condition also they are resolving chip level servicing. Let's look at also very nice. Normally the blower we have to hand itself we have to give. This is of machineries to remove the for the chip. They are doing the temperature they set it from this machine. I also not much knowledge about for chip level servicing, but I know how they are doing. The graphics IC, processor, and other BIOS IC, what are the how they are doing. I know that, but I not physically I not done myself. On the multimeter, we know for how the voltage and all its circulation is. We know that is a minute motherboards and all minute cables are there. It's we cannot look at how we can trace the cable. The once you are familiar with motherboard repairing, then only you should know that more knowledge. Practical experience is a practical experience is different. The soldering and these are minute soldering and all, and the familiar people only they can do that. Please subscribe for my channel, because each and every subscriber only it's like an encouragement, then only we can do more videos. You see, you can see that this much they are hard work, they are getting repaired the laptop. The laptop is nowadays is more expensive, or if you are used 4 years 3 years laptop also you can repair. It's possibilities are there. 99% they are repairing this kind of motherboards, and data recovery also they are doing here, and upgrading Windows 11 OS also. See how many motherboards are there. You know that the lot of motherboards we can do for reselling, recycle process also. Lot of gold materials are there, but still recycling process companies are not started. Moreover, if they started means a lot of material will be get recycled. Its possibilities also there, and Australia and German people they are doing that. In other countries are they are doing for recycling process. Okay viewers, thank you for watching our videos. Please subscribe our channel. This shop they are selling used laptop also. I seen that one MacBook Pro also they are selling. This is a 1400 they told me. It's look like a little bit. Its look is very good. And what are the processor, RAM? We can see the specification. MacBook is a very useful laptop. You can use iMovie for YouTubers. Must be record for MacBook. iMovie lot of editing we can do that. MacBook Pro this one. The model is 2012 model. It's a i5 processor, 2.5 GHz, 6 GB RAM, DDR3 RAM, and the graphics nearby 1.5 GB. MacBook Catalina is updated OS is there. It look like is a very nice laptop. What are the storage we can see. Anyone they want it to need to buy for user laptop also, you can contact me and make comments also. I will contact you. I will give my number also if you require. This laptop is very nice. I think storage also is good, and the battery still 80% is there. You know, MacBook is a good life laptop. If anyone required, contact me. Thank you for watching our videos.